Hi, this is Tyler with Window World of Northeast Nebraska, and today I'm going to go over how to remove and replace a sash. You're going to start by unlocking your window, lifting it up, and then grabbing both tilt latches so you can tilt the window in. I like to do it horizontal. As I said in another video, not a good cleaning position, a good removing position. So from here, you're either going to push down on this side or lift up on this side, whichever way is more comfortable and easy for you. So there, once you get it to a certain point, it is able to come out. So there you can see the sash is out of the window. Now you can see in here, balance on this side is kind of in the middle, balance over here more towards the bottom. It needs to be that way to allow the window to come out. It's important to know that those are in there because that's where these pins, one on either side, those pins go into the balance. Make sure your window's in the right position with the locks facing the window. Start in a diagonal position, put this one in. You can see, put this one in. Then you're going to push down on the one that's higher. Here you can see level position. That's when you tilt back up. Push firm to make sure that the window is in and that it moves freely. If it doesn't move freely, bring the window in again. You might need to push a little bit while you're moving it for it to fall back into that balance. Push it back up, tight, all the way down, lock the window.